Pakistan, a name that often evokes a sense of mystery and intrigue, and for many, a hint of apprehension, fueled by the stories and images that dominate the news. It's a country often seen through the lens of breaking headlines, political analyses, but rarely understood in its full depth, its vibrant culture, and its complex history. My journey began with a simple, unexpected invitation, a personal request, extended with genuine warmth. Come and see for yourself to experience the reality beyond the reports. What awaited was a land of breathtaking beauty, a tapestry woven with diverse landscapes, ancient history, whispering stories of empires long past, and a warmth that defies expectation, radiating from the hearts of its people. Here empires have risen and fallen, leaving behind magnificent monuments and crumbling ruins, and the mighty Indus River has shaped civilizations for millennia, nurturing life and culture along its banks. To travel here is to walk in the footsteps of Alexander the Great, retracing the paths of conquerors and explorers, to follow the Silk Road, imagining the caravans laden with goods and ideas that once traversed these lands, and to witness landscapes that seem otherworldly, sculpted by time and the elements into breathtaking vistas. Pakistan doesn't reveal itself all at once. It keeps its secrets close. It unfolds, layer by layer, revealing its beauty and complexity to those willing to look beyond the surface and delve deeper. Any initial fears quickly give way to wonder, as the true spirit of the country begins to shine through. From the vibrant chaos of its bustling cities, teeming with life and energy, to the peace of its remote valleys where time seems to stand still amid stunning natural beauty, every day brings a new discovery, a fresh perspective, and a deeper understanding. This journey isn't just about seeing a country and ticking off landmarks, it's about connecting with its soul, forging bonds with its people, and experiencing its culture firsthand. And so, with an open mind, a willingness to learn, I set out to experience Pakistan for myself, ready to embrace the unexpected and discover the heart of this captivating land. Pakistan's natural beauty is nothing short of epic. It's a land sculpted by time and the elements, a canvas painted with breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. From north to south, east to west, the landscapes are a testament to nature's artistry. In the north, the Himalayas, the crown of the country, Karakoram, a rugged and formidable range, and Hindu Kush collide, creating a symphony of geological grandeur, creating a realm of towering peaks that pierce the sky and deep valleys carved by ancient rivers and glaciers. K2, the world's second highest mountain, a beacon for adventurers and mountaineers, stands as a silent giant, a sentinel of the mountains above a kingdom of rock and ice, a landscape sculpted by millennia of freezing and thawing. The Karakoram Highway, a marvel of engineering, winds through this dramatic landscape, connecting remote communities, nestled in the heart of the mountains, and offering jaw-dropping views at every turn, a visual feast for the senses. Valleys like Hunza, a sanctuary of serenity, and Skardu are true paradises, havens of peace and tranquility, with orchards and lakes, shimmering jewels amidst the rugged terrain, reflecting jagged peaks, creating a mirror image of the majestic landscape. As you head south, the scenery begins to transform. Mountains give way to the fertile plains of Punjab, the heartland of Pakistan, nourished by the Indus and its tributaries, a lifeline for agriculture and communities. Further still, the land transforms, revealing a different facet of Pakistan's beauty into the sun-baked deserts of Sindh, a landscape of rolling dunes and resilient life, and Balochistan, a land of rugged mountains and vast arid plains where camels roam, the ships of the desert carrying stories of ancient trade routes, and ancient forts dot the horizon, silent witnesses to centuries of history. From icy summits where the air is thin and the views are boundless, to shimmering sands, where the heat dances on the horizon, Pakistan's geography is a study in contrast, a land of diverse ecosystems and breathtaking beauty. This diversity is what makes the country a natural wonder, a treasure trove of landscapes waiting to be explored. Every region tells its own story, a unique chapter in the grand narrative of Pakistan, written in stone, water, and sand, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. To travel through Pakistan is to journey through thousands of years of history. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa whisper of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Buddhist monasteries and Mughal masterpieces like Lahore's Badshahi Mosque and Fort showcase the country's layered past. But history here isn't just in the stones. It's alive in vibrant festivals, from Eid celebrations to the kite-flying frenzy of Basant. art flourishes everywhere. From dazzling truck art to hand-woven carpets and hypnotic Sufi music, Pakistan's culture is a living blend of ancient heritage and modern creativity. It's a place where the past and present dance together in a riot of color and sound. The quickest way to Pakistan's heart is through its food. Each region boasts its own flavors. Spicy kebabs and rich stews in Punjab, hearty pies and lamb dishes in the north, and sweet treats like jalebi and kulfi everywhere. Meals are more than food, they're celebrations of hospitality. Fresh naan, hot from the tandoor, is a staple at every table. Chai, the sweet milky tea, is the nation's social glue, shared everywhere, with everyone. Whether in a bustling market or a mountain village, food brings people together. Every bite tells a story of history, migration, and community. To eat in Pakistan is to taste its culture. Pakistan's greatest treasure, the very heart and soul of this ancient land, is undoubtedly its people. A vibrant tapestry woven with diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. Their legendary warmth and unparalleled hospitality have a magical way of turning visitors into lifelong friends, forging bonds that transcend borders. And even strangers, upon meeting them, are welcomed as if they were long-lost family. The deeply ingrained tradition of Mehman Nawazi, treating guests with utmost honor and respect, is more than just a custom. It's a fundamental way of life, a cultural cornerstone. Whether you find yourself in bustling cities or nestled within the serenity of remote villages, you're invariably welcomed with open arms and genuine smiles. And of course, endless cups of aromatic tea, a symbol of friendship and connection. Even those who possess very little materially will selflessly offer everything they have to ensure your comfort and well-being. Truly embodying generosity in its purest, most heartfelt form. These seemingly simple acts of everyday kindness and consideration collectively reveal the authentic soul and spirit of this remarkable country. To truly visit Pakistan is to challenge preconceived notions and assumptions, and to discover a land brimming with breathtaking beauty, rich history, and the opportunity for profound and meaningful human connection. For those with a spirit of adventure and a thirst for the unknown, Pakistan is far more than just another destination on a map. It's a truly essential and potentially life-changing journey for the soul.